is happening?
Cheers. Hey, we're Colin and Meg, and we are storytellers of family adventures, and welcome to the finale of our Guatemala series. It's a country that doesn't get as much publicity, say, as Mexico or Costa Rica, but it seems to be one of those places that once you go, it keeps drawing you back. Case in point, us. Even after seeing so many places in the world, we wanted our kids to experience the warmth and beauty this place has to offer. So for this trip, we're ending it on a high, like literally.
In this video, we're gonna have pizza and s'mores on top of an active volcano. Ready?
Hello, how are you, Manuel? Hola.
Manuel.
Meet Manuel, and we couldn't have asked for a better guide.
All the way, Mom. Cowgirls?
We left Antigua at 9 a.m. in the morning and made our way through a series of villages in the beautiful Guatemalan countryside to get to the base of the volcano.
Okay, today is a very special day. It's our last day in Guatemala, and we are going up a volcano, specifically the Pacaya volcano. But we're not just hiking, y'all. We're doing something very special. What are we getting on?
Going on a horse.
We're all getting on horses. Oh my goodness, Charlotte.
You're not gonna fall. Somebody's gonna be walking with them the whole time, right? And then they're gonna maybe adjust so your feet can go in.
By the way, if you've enjoyed this video so far, make sure to hit subscribe and say hello in the comments below.
He's a nice horse.
You're a nice horse.
Okay, hold on.
Alright, Libby's on Wapango, Charlotte's on Manches, see?
Yes.
And what horse are you on?
I forgot. What's his name?
How can you forget Tequila?
Tequila.
We're getting on Capitan today. Live! So this volcano is called Pacaya, and it's actually considered a active volcano. But it's safe to hike. We passed by tons of hikers, and when we get to where we're going, we're gonna do something quite special.
Or hoja de queso. And the ancestors from here, they use it back in the time to grab the cheese and to keep it fresh with no refrigeration.
Good. It's like having the time of your life.
Just laughing by everything. How do you guys feel? Happy? I know you're happy. Alright, we're currently in the fog. You can feel the fog blowing in the wind, and that's so cool. Here we go.
And after about 45 minutes, we arrived at the lava fields where we continued on foot.
We made it to the top. What color shoes did you wear to the volcano, babe?
You know what? I didn't know we were doing this when we planned this trip. And it's my only shoe. Don't wear white, and probably don't wear Chucks. How many times do you come up to Pacaya each week?
Maybe 3 or 5 times per week.
You ever get bored?
No.
Nope.
This is part of my office. This is the lava chef,
Lava Chef.
David Lava Chef.
Hello.
Crazy guy.
This is easily one of the most expensive pizzas you will ever eat, but it was made on a volcano. And once you smell the pizza, all of a sudden this went from a horseback riding trip to the most comfortable picnic in good company.
Wow. There you go.
As we waited for our pizza to cook, the crew was so kind to let our kids play in the kitchen. We also tried some local drinks thanks to Manuel.
What are we having, Manuel?
We're having quesalteca with tamarind, and this is for berries. Is the local drink
All
for
right.
Guatemala. It's made with fruits, natural fruits.
I got the berries.
Quesalteca. What do you say when you drink? Do you say salud or no?
Salud.
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 Cheers.
Ooh, it's good. Cheers. Oh yeah, there we go.
Sponsor.
After about 15 minutes, the volcano-made pizza was ready to eat.
Over the lava river. Okay.
This pizza is so good. What is that on top? Prosciutto?
Hey, Libby, come
It's
take a bite. This is
prosciutto.
just cheese.
Yeah. Salami.
Take a bite.
So good.
Pepperoni, sweet
And
pepper.
the crust is
Oh,
perfect.
it's perfect. Yeah.
Tiny.
This is probably some of the best pizza I've ever had. You got prosciutto, jalapenos, and the crust. Oh my gosh. And to be eating on a volcano. This is so cool, Manuel.
Oh yeah, right.
This is so cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Cheers. It's just drinking alcohol on the volcano.
What are we making, Meg?
S'mores. Thank you.
We got 4 kinds of chocolate.
Yeah, 4 kinds of chocolate,
Milk.
spicy, caramel, dark one, and milk.
Nice.
But 1 year.
Wow.
But as we're enjoying all this food, our guide Marvin shows us exactly what happened in this spot just a year ago.
Last year, we're sitting there right now.
Right now? Yeah,
Yep.
see all that smoke coming out of it? It's not doing that today, but
See?
we did that last
Not
year.
today, see?
Not today.
Hoy no vamos a hacer de eso.
This is such a magical experience.
Every family needs to do this.
Like, we're on a volcano, we had homemade pizza, we had s'mores, we drank wine. Like, it's just, we rode horses up here, so we're not even tired. It's just so cool
And we get to go on another horse ride down the hill.
to get back down. 10 out of 10. This is a bucket list experience for me. I'm so thankful that we were able to do it.
It just so happened to be the birthday of the owner of the tour company, so we sang to her while she was back in the US.
We want dollars. We want cake and dollars.
What's also cool about this organization is that we actually got on the phone with the founder last night. She's currently in Ohio trying to raise awareness for what she does here because it is incredible. During the pandemic, she was able to feed over hundreds and hundreds of families and their horses, and it's a party up here. The coolest thing about this whole deal is that it is all about the community. Some of the proceeds go back to the villages, to the horses, to the families, and it's just a win-win situation.
Come to Guatemala because this, you get the best pizza. and you get it by the oh no, she by herself. Whoa. Steve?
Just so funny that when you look around me, you should not be able to have pizza and wine. Yet, you're on this other planet and all of a sudden, there's a guy rolling dough, putting mozzarella, and cooking pizza in the volcano. So funny. Uh-oh, my horse is stubborn. Come on, Capitan. Come on. Okay, good boy. Good boy.
We came down the volcano with smiles on our faces, still pinching ourselves that we got to experience something so unique. See, these horses are owned by the guides themselves, and one trip like this can feed their family and their horse for a week, as well as supplements, tack, and medical care.
This is your sign to bring your family to go on a Guatemalan adventure.
That was an amazing day. Everybody needs to do this. And if we come back to Guatemala, when we come back to Guatemala, if anybody wants to come, we'll make a little group trip. It's gonna be fun.